This is my drawing of a mummy, and with Halloween just around the corner, I'll show you each and every step so that you could draw this yourself. So grab a pen and paper and let's get started. Let's begin today's lesson in the center page with the eyes. We're going to leave a gap in the center. Starting over on the left, I want to bend the eye going up and then out towards the top. Let's line this up on the right and do the same thing. Now from the outside, we're going to draw a half circle coming down across the bottom of the eye and then pull that towards the inside. And want to curl in the brow. From these 2 points, bend this in and then up. Now from the outside of the eye, we're going to move out and draw the lower half of the head. So let's start on the left. We're going to come down, round up the head, and bend that up towards the right, towards the same height. Now let's go back to the left side and draw the top of the head. We're going to draw a large circle going all the way around towards the top, come down the right side, and then we'll bend that in. Let's add those bandages across the top of the head. We're going to start from this point, go across the top of the left eye, and then bend that out. Let's go to the center, bend this across, and then down. Now we're going to work our way up, stepping up, bend this up, and across, step up. We're going to bend this one down, and just working our way across the top. And we want to go in the opposite direction, over on the right side. Let's add another bandage going across the center with a slight curve. Now I'm going to work our way down, starting on the left side, bend this up, and then out. Now on the left side, bend this across underneath the eye and then down. Let's add a bandage just around the outside of the eyes, and then we'll work our way down. Now in the center, let's curve this out and then down. Now I want to draw some teeth across the top, starting on the left. I'm just going to add these curves, going all the way across towards the right. Let's open up the mouth, starting on the left, bend this down and up, and then along the bottom add a curve going across the tongue, and we'll fill the inside of the mouth in black, going around the teeth and above the tongue. Now we're going to have the bandage coming down from the left side of the head, starting here, bend this down and then out, and we're just going to tear up the edge, going up and then down, and we'll just taper this up toward the side of the head. Now with the head complete, let's move down and draw the side of the body. Starting on the left side, bend this out, and then down toward the hip. Do the same thing on the right. Let's move towards the center, step down, add a curve, going up and then down. Let's leave a gap in the center. We're going to go to the left side, bend the leg going out and then down toward the left heel, move over towards the right, bring that down toward the same height. Now I want to round out the bottom of the feet. Let's start with the left side, coming down and up. And then going back to the side, we're going to curve the foot. We're going to go up, and we're just going to bend that down just up above the heel. Let's go back up to the hip and draw the outside of the leg. We're going to bend this out and then down on top of the feet. Now we're going to add some bandages. Let's start on top of the feet from the outside. Bend this in and then down. Draw it again. And I'll work our way up the leg, starting on top of the foot. Add one curve, line it up on the right. We're just going to work our way up towards the top. And then from here, we're going to start to crisscross these bandages, starting from the right hip, then it's down and out, across, and just fill in those gaps. And we're just going to work our way up along the body. Now from here, it's going to go across and then up underneath the head. Draw that again. Let's go to the left side, come down, just tuck that in behind, come all the way across towards the right. Now I'm just going to fill in these gaps with a couple more curves. Now let's go back up to the top and draw in the arms. We're going to start underneath the head, bend this down and then out towards the wrist, on the left and right. Now I want to round up the hand, coming down, and I'll bend that up. Let's add the thumb. We're going to step down, coming around, and then in. Let's close off the bottom of the arm from the thumb, coming in toward the side of the body. And they're going to add those bandages, starting from the side, I'm just working our way out. Just gonna add some bandages going around the thumb. And then the hands. Now I want to add some more bandages coming down from the arms. So we start down here, bend this in. Let's tear up the bottom and go back up. Let's add a shorter one over on the right side. And then we'll sign our art and add a splash of color. And that's pretty much it. That's how I draw our Halloween mummy. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you did, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each week. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.